Great. OLG washer. Won't pump. Yeah. Fill it up with water. Just a little bit more. All you have to do is take the one Phillips head out of the right hand side, and there is none on the other side, but you have to pull the tray out, and then there's two Phillips heads hidden behind it. Then the control panel will come off and you can unplug it. You don't have to use the LG tool, but it helps. Let it keep on dripping. Almost there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, there we go. All that just to get to this little baby. But let's go ahead and change it. I take the two Phillips heads off of the bottom so I can lift it up out of the mount, and it just helps to get the pump off of the pump housing. You'll see. Oh yeah, that one is shot.
Don't use the drill for this, because I've skipped them. Oh yeah, it's beautiful.
Oh, can't forget my power wires. Sorry I messed this up. But just putting the screw back in the front user interface and right where the dispenser drawer is, and the screw's there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment.